Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix it when your Roblox clothes are not showing in game. So the main causes of this happening is that first of all, the clothes are not equipped properly. So you want to go to avatar and you can see the clothes I'm currently wearing right now. If that's the outfit you want to use, I'll recommend first of all changing it to see if that fixes the problem, and then when it's fixed you can change it back. It's just like a sync issue. So just quickly change your outfit and then go into a game and then come back and change your outfit again, and see if that fixes the problem. And then another thing that could be causing the issue is a slow internet connection. So when you load into the game, the slow internet connection is causing the clothes to not load. So make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection or mobile data connection. Okay, and then when you've done all that and checked your internet and changed your internet, you want to completely close out of Roblox, and then you can go to your search bar and then you can type in Roblox player and then click on Roblox player once you fully exited the game. And then you can reload any sort of game that you want, and your clothes should load into the game. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.